Well, Harley-Davidson has launched a new motorcycle. It's one you all have been asking for, and we together are going to be giving one away on the Great American Convoy this year. They have officially launched the Liberty Edition Road Glide, and this is a bike, like I said, you all have been asking for. So what is the Liberty Edition? It's Harley-Davidson's nod to the 250 years of American glory. And you can see it painted right here on the back, 1776 to 2026, USA. The base color of this bike is Midnight Ember. And when you catch it just right in the sun, you can see the metal flake throughout the paint everywhere. It really is an absolutely beautiful black color. But what really makes this bike special is all of the fine details honoring our 250 years of being a country. Red, white, and blue is tastefully put all over this motorcycle, starting with the nose here, this big, powerful eagle, the Harley-Davidson logo, and of course, the 1976 to 2026 again. Now, this eagle may look familiar to you, but that might be because in 1976, Harley put out a Liberty Edition motorcycle, and this eagle right here was actually inspired by that motorcycle. That bike was in honor of the bicentennial, and now we are celebrating 250 glorious years. You've got the blue windshield, and of course you've got the red, white, and blue throughout the bike. You got the red and blue iconic #1, and this eagle stretched across the tank, and it fits just about perfectly on there. Blue stitching across the seat, the red, white, and blue stripes, and of course the bar and shield logo ties right in with the dash, where you've got the other red, white, and blue features honoring America. Now, Harley actually dropped the limited edition back in January of 2026, but it was not in the Road Glide. The people wrote in by droves asking Harley to put this paint set on a Road Glide, and thank God they listened, because it turned out absolutely beautiful. This entire set is part of Harley-Davidson's Enthusiast Collection, and this is a limited inspired collection Harley puts out every so often. You might remember some of the others like the El Diablo, the Tobacco Fade, and the GI bike. Pretty excited to see this collection in the Road Glide. I think y'all were right for asking for it, and Harley was definitely right for making it. And I am excited to be able to come out here to Los Angeles, California, and ride this thing before it was ever released to the public. So that's what I'm here to do. Not only show you around this beautiful piece of machinery, but also put it down the road. We took this bike all along the coast here. The weather was absolutely beautiful. We went up the Palos Verdes, put it into some twisties, leading into some corners. This is a motorcycle that I'm very familiar with and handles as I would expect it to handle. The true difference here, the real standout part, is this limited edition paint set honoring 250 years of a beautiful country that I'm very proud to be part of, and I'm sure you are too. This is sure to be a collector in anybody's garage for years to come, and I'm pretty excited to get out here and ride it myself. You should go down and talk to your dealer and see if you can't get a hold of one yourself. And don't forget, you could have a chance to win one of these by doing nothing more than visiting a Harley-Davidson dealership with myself and the Great American Convoy. You go to adamsandoval.com, you can find all the details on there and where we're going. Meet up with us, whether it's for one stop, a day, a week, or the entire convoy. Every single dealership you visit with us is a chance to enter to take this beautiful bike home. It starts June 20th at Pig Trail Harley-Davidson right there in Arkansas, and ends in Milwaukee at Milwaukee Harley-Davidson on July 11th, where we will stand on stage, donate a check to the Wounded Warrior Project, and pick one person who showed up and visited us this brand new bike.